So another flanker from the house of Azzaro, we have Forever Wanted Elixir. We're gonna get right into this. I did an unboxing review, first impressions, as a YouTube short on TikTok, IG Reels, so go check that out. So before we hop in, just a reminder in general, if you wanna get fragrances on the low, check out Fragrance Buy, Perfume Online, or Joma Shop. Great discounters, Joma Shop. You can also do designer watch shopping, handbag, glasses, clothing, a very, very nice website. They all ship to USA and Canada, so go check them out. I really like this bottle. That gold-plated look is gorgeous. They stuck to that typical Wanted style, which is the typical bottle they use. I like it. It's really nice. So this fragrance, you're going to get notes of cardamom, so you're going to get a little bit of a spice. You're going to get raspberry, very punchy, very sweet. That's so nice. It's like photorealistic raspberry. If you actually had it in a container and opened up the container, I'm floored at the quality there. That touch of cardamom spice. Then you're gonna have right in the dry down a creamy type of suede. It's creamy, it's smooth, and there's a lot of sweetness. There is vanilla there. Ultimately making it a very sexy, very mass appealing suede fragrance. And I'm starting to notice a trend. I don't know if you guys are too. Fragrances this year being released are having some type of suede leather element to them. So if you think of Viktor & Rolf Spice Bomb Dark Leather, you think of Carolina Herrera Bad Boy Elixir, and now we have Forever Wanted Elixir. These are all leather dominant fragrances, and I typically don't like leather fragrances, but I have to say Forever Wanted Elixir is one of the easier leathers to stomach because there's so much else going on. Very punchy, sexy, smooth raspberry and spicy cardamom. So right off the bat, this is a date night type of vibe. It's a date night fragrance, but not in a safe, cozy, cuddly type of way. So if you want to wear something where you want a girl to just cuddle up, you know, snuggle, watch a movie, this is not it. This is a date night fragrance, but maybe you're going out for drinks, or even if you're going out to the bars and the clubs, but you're more one-on-one with your girl for the night. That's the vibe with this fragrance. It's dark, it's mysterious, but this vanilla sweet raspberry does lift it up. Ultimately, it's giving the vibe of a guy who's confident and knows what he's wearing, okay? Not everyone can pull this off, but I think most of you can if you just handle yourselves well. As it's drying down now, the leather's actually coming out a little more out of the base. It's becoming more prominent. That sweetness from the raspberry is drying down. So now you have this spicy cardamom with this creamy leather, creamy suede, and just a touch of the sweetness. Very nice fragrance though. You guys will really like it. If you're in high school, you can definitely pick this up. I think you'll enjoy it for sure. As far as performance, so this is strong when you first spray it. When you first spray it for about half an hour, you are getting 2 feet, but it does not stay beast mode. So to make it beast mode, if you really want people around you to smell you, spray a lot and also spray on clothes, spray on your arms. That'll help push the fragrance, but I don't think you want to wear a lot of this because spraying a lot of a leather fragrance in general is just annoying, and then you're going to annoy people. As far as the longevity, I thought this would last really, really, really long, but it really only stayed on my skin 6 to 7 hours. That's good. That's respectable. I mean, 7 hours for a designer isn't bad. If you want it to last longer on your skin, obviously you could apply an unscented lotion beforehand or Vaseline. Or what I like to do, it's easier, is just double up on sprays on the same spot. So for example, if you're spraying here on your neck, just spray twice there. Here on your arm, just spray twice there. And that's gonna help easily push you past 8 hours, most definitely. So as far as longevity, it's on the high moderate end. It's not beast mode long lasting, but it's right up there. It's pretty good. About 6 to 7 hours, just a spray on your arm. Not bad at all. So as far as the compliment factor, reactions, you will get good attention wearing this, but it has to be right. Like the situation has to be right. You can't wear this in the morning in the summer. You're not going to get good attention in the high heat. Don't blast this in school. Don't wear this in school, actually. Don't wear this in the gym. You want to wear this fragrance on a date night and a night out. You want to wear something sexy and mysterious, but still a little playful and fun so people approach you, don't think you smell weird. This fragrance does that right. The playful, the fun vibe, with the cardamom, with the raspberry sweetness, with the vanilla, but that deep, sexy suede leather blend at the base gives you a little something there. There's a little intriguing aspect to the fragrance. So I think it's good. It can garner you compliments, but you need to wear it in the right situations. It's by no means unappealing. It's a very appealing fragrance worn correctly. So overall, I think this is something you should try. You should look for a way to try this fragrance, whether it's getting a decant, smelling it at a store, whatever it may be. Try this one out. It's a very nice leather fragrance done in a unique way with that super heavy raspberry vibe. Don't think Tom Ford Tuscan leather. This is way sweeter than that fragrance. So that's gonna do it for Azzaro Forever Wanted Elixir. Feel free to check it out. Not a bad fragrance at all. Per usual, if you want fragrances in general on the low, Fragrance by, Joma Shop, and Perfume Online are linked below. Those are all great websites to get fragrances below retail, and I'll see you guys in the next video.